Hey, it's Marshall. I want to talk about Shirt Lab Atlanta. So, why should you go to this? So, you're an apparel decorator, you have your own t shirt shop, maybe you do embroidery, maybe you do heat press or dye sub or whatever you do, and you're going, oh, I don't need to go to that Shirt Lab thing. I'm telling you that you do. And here's why. Is because we want to diversify how you sell apparel. So if you don't already have your own apparel line for your area or your idea or your interest, maybe you like motorcycle racing, maybe you like bass fishing, maybe you like cooking and grilling out. You can do apparel lines for all of those ideas and run an entire new business out of your shop, focusing on that for the whole world. Here's why you should go to Shirt Lab Atlanta is because we're bringing in the best experts that we could find to help teach this stuff. These are the people who do this for real every single day. They can make you better. So maybe you have your own apparel line already. They're going to help you make that better. Maybe you've never thought about it. Learn how to do it from the ground floor up and do it the right way. So this is why you should go. It's in Atlanta. You can get there easy from anywhere in the United States. It's a hub for Delta. Just fly in. You'll be in the world's busiest airport in no time. It's going to be at the Atlanta Tech Village on September the 28th. And you can get your tickets right now at shirtlabpro.com. And I want to show you just how easy it is on the website. So here we go. Ready? Just go to shirtlabpro.com. Here's the website. You can click Atlanta right here, or you can click this giant yellow button. So maybe you want to click a small word. Maybe you'd rather click the giant yellow button. Either way, it's going to take you to this page. As soon as it loads here, it's on September the 28th. Here's where you get hotels. Spring Hill Suites, Atlanta, Buckhead. It's next door, $93 a night. We got a pretty good rate. Sign up. And here's where you get tickets. You want to buy one ticket right here? You and somebody else from your shop? You can get a 2 ticket. We got a bundle. You can save some money. We also have a VIP dinner where that's going to be limited seating. And this is one of those deals where we kind of hang out for a couple hours and talk industry stuff over some great food and some adult beverages. It's hilarious. You should go. And if you buy the VIP dinner, you get the brunch the next day for free. It's like a 2-for-1. If you only want to go to the brunch and maybe you want to do something else for dinner, that's cool. You can buy a brunch ticket also, right? So here's what we're doing, kind of a deal. And then I've got the itinerary listed. And on here also are all the people who are going to be speaking. And I'm not going to go through all that, but you can. So anyway, get your tickets today. It's really going to be an awesome event. This is the last one we're doing for 2019. And then we're on to building everything out for 2020. This is going to be a great event. It's going to be lots of fun. And I can't wait to see you there. So get your ticket today, will you?